Hi Sagittarius, welcome back to Omkara Tarot. It is time for your love fight. Let's see what messages want to show through for you today, Sagittarius. And these are general collective readings. Will not resonate with all of you. Please keep that in mind, okay? Take what works for you, leave the rest. So let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Sagittarius and send them the messages they need to hear the most right now. Thank you. So Sajis, welcome back, all my subscribers. Thank you for being here once again. And if you're new here, Sagittarius, we welcome you as well. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. And let's begin our reading. So I have the Hermit, King of Wands, Wheel of Fortune, Six of Wands, Page of Pentacles, Eight of Wands, Four of Wands, Seven of Swords, and the Strength card. Okay, somebody wants to now end a conflict. Maybe you guys have been fighting, Sagittarius, I don't know. But somebody is really wanting this conflict to end now because too much of stagnancy has come in this connection. Maybe somebody has been in hermit mode, waiting maybe for somebody else to take action, but things are totally stuck here from what I feel. Somebody is feeling kind of, they feel like they're lost. There's no communication between the two of you. Maybe the promise of a happily ever after may not be seeming in sight, and somebody's feeling now, this connection has kind of backfired on them, and that's making them feel not that strong right now, Sagittarius. I don't know what's going on. I'm going to clarify these cards, Saggis, after I take some dialogue message cards. Let's see if you guys could say something to each other, what that would be, and then we'll clarify these cards. So Sagittarius and their person spirit, if they could say something to each other, what would that be? And Saggis, if any of you are looking for a personal reading, my email is in the description box below. You can reach me there. Sagittarius and their person. All right. And I'm going to take a few more from here, Saggis. Oops. Okay, and a couple more from here. Okay, Sagittarius, we're good to go. Let's start our reading. The first card says here, I always choose you every damn time, every damn day. You say you want me, but your actions don't match with your words that have come out of your mouth. Damn it, I want you to choose me and show me that you mean it. It irritates me that you mock my spirituality when I'm doing everything I can to learn and grow to become a better person. You tease me, you make fun of my beliefs. I find that really hurtful, as you are unwilling to even talk with me about them. Your ego is effing irritating me. Can't you see the value I would add to your life? If only you would just let me in. We could be a strong power couple. It's really insulting. Oh my God, all these cards are saying the same thing here, Sagittarius. It's really insulting when you try and control the situation and withhold information. You're underestimating my intuitive abilities, my connection with the divine, and must be forgetting how connected we are on soul level. You know that I'll always know what's going on because even your higher self tells on you. Life is too short to keep your feelings to yourself. I cannot stay silent any longer with these words hidden inside my heart and my soul because they want to burst out of my chest and my mouth. I love you. I haven't apologized because I don't feel deserving of your forgiveness. I haven't been able to forgive myself for the way I treated you. I'm I'm so proud of you, my love. You inspire me to be a better person. I'm working on myself and I hope that I can inspire you too. I'm planning a romantic trip for us to reconnect. I want to cherish you with loving adoration. Do you think about me? Let's get away together and disconnect from the world. So, two references here to maybe a getaway being planned by you or your person, I don't know. Let's start the reading and find out what's happening. But first, I'm going to take an angel blessing card, Sagittarius. See how my angels are going to bless this reading with a blessing, guidance, advice, or a message. Activist. Somebody needs to take some action here. There's too much of stagnancy right now, Sagittarius. This hermit mode, things feeling stuck, no communication, nobody taking action here is not going to end this conflict. So you or your partner, maybe both of you, need to now kind of sit down and maybe have that conversation or take some action towards whatever you guys want. Talk it out, because there's a lot of frustration what I see here. What's the spirit? The hermit. What's the hermit for? What's this hermit card? Hermit. Hermit and the King of Wands. Hermit and the King of Wands. One person is very, very depressed at the moment, Sagittarius. They're feeling quite low at the moment. They feel the soulmate connection has now kind of been ruined by someone's behavior or not offering a offer. So I have somebody here in hermit mode now, kind of just by themselves and feeling quite lonely and sad. Maybe they expected somebody to make some movement towards them. They wanted somebody to take that action, which my angels are suggesting here as well. There was a lot of love in this connection, but they kept waiting for someone else to take action towards them. And yes, they wanted a brand new beginning, but it turns out this King of Wands maybe went off for a new beginning for themselves, maybe chose themselves, did something selfish, never really took action here, and that's what got things stuck in this connection. Now there's somebody here in hermit mode feeling very unlucky, and all they wanted was that their person should choose them. They wanted to get out of this confusion as to what are we, and they just kept waiting and waiting and waiting for this person to, kind of level up and do the right thing, choose them. But right now I think feeling quite embarrassed that things really didn't take off. Ace of Wands is in reverse as well, with the Six of Wands in reverse. So nobody really took action and made one person feel very, very like they lost. It's almost like, all their wishes for a new beginning were dashed. I don't know. Somebody is still kind of hoping that maybe with time we can work things out now. Things will change sooner than later. Still hoping and wishing this offer of commitment or long-term partnership will come, even though right now things are quite stagnant. There's barely any communication. Page of Pentacles, Spirit. Yes, because somebody left somebody out in the cold, that's simple as that. And this could be the selfish person who maybe trotted off to have a brand new beginning for themselves and never really did what the other person was expecting them to. Eight of Wands. Yes, this offer hasn't come yet, Sagittarius. This offer did not come. Somebody is still hoping and wishing though for victory, especially even though there is no communication. There's no offer being made yet. Eight of Wands in reverse. Somebody is not making any. I think somebody's got a blindfold on their eyes. They don't want to see the truth. They don't want to see the truth that this person has not done the right thing, may never do the right thing. But Four of Wands in reverse. Yes, things have halted, things have stagnated. This Four of Wands is in reverse at the moment. And again, see, Four of Wands in reverse is clarified by the Four of Wands, Sagittarius. But somebody refuses to see the truth. Somebody refuses to see the truth. They're not using their wisdom to understand what's really happening here. Seven of Swords in reverse. Seven of Swords in reverse. This connection has already backfired here. There's no movement. There's Page of Pentacles in reverse. This is like the end. One more. Yeah, somebody's walked away from this connection, Sagittarius, while the other person is still kind of waiting. Not happy, but still waiting, hoping, wishing that, these seeds will grow one day. But the point is, the other person hasn't nurtured them at all, has maybe probably walked away. But I do see somebody still stand still, waiting, hoping, wishing that one day. Strength in reverse. Strength in reverse. One more. Somebody is still hoping and wishing here, Sagittarius, that somebody will now come and take back control. This is my person. Somebody is going to take action. The person who's waiting is unable to face change. They don't want this to end. They are holding on to that shred of hope, even though maybe somebody has been very clear, very rash, very rude about saying that, hey, I'm not fighting for this connection. It's over. I'm bringing the tower down here. This is a very heavy reading, Sagittarius. I'm sure it's not for all of you out there. Maybe just a handful of you who needed to hear this, but somebody needs to take action, wake up. Still waiting that one day this conflict will end. One day this conflict will end. Still waiting, going back and forth in their mind, still spying as to whether their partner loves them and will return. Still waiting for that justice to happen, broken hearts to fix. I don't know, Sagittarius. That's all I have for you. Till next time then, love and light. Take care. Namaste.